Hey, how we doing, Panthers? We've got 4 divided by 1/2. This little division symbol this is Miss Kotef's favorite symbol. It's called the obulus. Whenever you see her, tell her, "Hey, we know you love the obulus." That's actually not true. She doesn't like the obvious. It's kind of obvious when you tell her though, okay? Okay. Anyway, 4 divided by 1/2. What in the world? How do we do this? Lots of ways. Let's look at this conceptually first for a second here. If you would just kind of roll with this here. See, this is really the same thing as kind of saying is 4 divided by 1/2. Okay, 4 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as saying 1/2 fits into 4 how many times? How many times can we fit 1/2 into 4? Let's see what that looks like. Here we have a half, and here we have 4. Let's see, we can fit half. There's 1 time we can fit it in. 2 times we could fit the half in there. You see where this is going? 3 times. 4 times we can fit the half in there. Wait a second. Flip the script. I flip the script. Oh, there's another one. So that's a total of 5. 6, 7, 8. We can fit 1/2 into 4. 1/2 fits into 4 8 times. And you can check this backwards by saying, well, if 1/2 goes into, if 4 divided by 1/2 is 8, if 4 divided by 1/2 is 8, then 8 times 1/2 should be 4. Can we do that? 8 times 1/2 is 4. Well, you can rewrite this way. What is half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. So that makes sense. And of course, we also learned it another way. Where we learned this, put it in A over B form. See, see this one? That's like the A. See this 2? That's like the B. A over B, right? That's what that means. This 8 is like the A, but we need a B. To be or not to be? No, it's not 2. It's going to be 1, invisible 1 to the rescue. 8, what do we have? 8 holes here. We're talking about 8 holes. If we have 8 holes, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretend like those are all equal. That would be 8 what? 8 holes. A hole is represented by the number 1. We can see now here we have it in AB form. A over B times A over B equals 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. And that, of course, that's not the answer we said, I thought you said the answer is 4, Mr. Hoffman. You remember that right over here? We fit it in 4 times. 1/2 fits into 8. No, fits it. Oh, it's 8. The answer is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fits into it 8 times. 1/2 fits into 4 8 times. So what is this all about? Oh no, we're actually checking to see if the quotient is 4. So is it 4? Well, 8, this would be 8 divided by 2 is 4. You can say 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Mr. Hoffman. Oh yeah, don't forget Miss Gotef. But mostly Mr. Hoffman. No, just kidding. Miss Gotef too. The equal. We're equal. We're like I'm like 4/4, and Miss Kotef is like 1. See, number 1. They're equal. Check this out. Remember our friend Kermit? He said, ooh, he says, when dividing by, hi ho, this is Kermit the Frog. Not the best Kermit imitation. I'll work on it. When you divide by multiples, fraction, when you're dividing by fractions, just multiply its reciprocal. Hi ho, hi ho. But it's none of my business. Okay, AB form. So we're going to take the 4. Maybe AB form, A over B. And remember, put a 1 under it. It's 4 holes. Then it says multiply. So we're just going to multiply by whatever the reciprocal means. Just to keep things rolling here, to make it smooth, class rules, be kind, stay on task, believe. By the way, if you're on task, then you will also keep the chat on task, and there will be no social media tags or links. This is what's due this week. We're not going to take too much time on this because you can go to your OMHS, also known as K 12 in your math page. Can you divide fractions and mixed numbers and then express the answer in simplest terms? Here's some examples. What do you think? Ooh, can you see what's going on here? Can you do that, whatever they just did there, whatever it is? And then can you do this, whatever they did there? Can you do this? If you can, you're halfway there. Get it? Half. We're talking about fractions. No, I don't want to mix you up with mixed numbers and so. Oh, hey, let's just keep it simplest terms, okay? Let's keep it simple, Mr. Hoffman. Okay, can you do this? Whatever they did there. Hmm. Can you do this? Ready? Watch. What did they do there? Can you do this? Ready? Hmm. And furthermore, can you do this? If so, you're done with this lesson. The lesson's over. Bye, everyone. No, okay, it's your turn. Go to your Desmos and rate your confidence level so far.